everybody, this is Bonnie from bonniescreativeplace.stampinup.net, and we are going to be making card number 4 from my online class, Friends Are Like Seashells. So this is my final card, and let's get started on how I made this really cute card. Isn't it beautiful? So we are going to start out with some stamping. So first thing we need to do is we are going to stamp our greeting. So we're going to take the crumb cake and we're going to stamp this up, and I'm going to stamp it right down here, kind of close to the bottom a little bit. And I'm just stamping this in the corner like that. Then we're bringing in this punch. I can't remember the name of the punch, but it did get carried over. So we're going to bring this in, kind of eyeball. I probably should have went up just a little bit. Well, no, because that's good actually. Because when I want to punch, I thought I screwed it up, but I didn't. I want to punch this so it's over, but not all the way up here, because I'm going to be putting seashells up there. See how I have some seashells up there? So I don't want it perfectly even. I'd rather have it more closer to the bottom and over to the side a little bit. Okay, so it's not perfectly centered, and that is purpose. So we have that. So then we're going to bring in our blushing bride. And I'm going to bring in my foam mat here, and I'm going to put this down right here, and I'm going to bring in a different seashell this time. I'm going to be doing this one. Oh, I think I forgot to get the starfish out. I'll have to get him out. And we're going to stamp this one. I don't know, I wanted to call it a her because she's in pink. And I'm just going to stamp it right down, right there. So it looks like that. I guess it came out. Yeah, it came out. It just looks like it didn't come out there. I was a little worried at first, but as it's starting to clear in, it is. Okay, and then we're going to bring the basic gray, and I'm going to stamp all my other parts. So I'm going to stamp my 2 seashells, and then I have my sand dollar. Put him over here, and I have to get out. I got the empty block, but I just forgot him. The starfish. I'll put the starfish, and then we'll stamp him. Also, we'll stamp him right there. So what we're going to do now is we are going to bring in my scrap paper, and I'm just going to cut around this a little bit because we're going to be doing something different with that. And let's get this basic gray out of the way. And we're going to bring in some blends, and I will definitely be fast forwarding through Okay, so there we go. We've got all them. So now we're going to be doing some die cutting. So for this one, I'm going to bring in the little guy. You need platform 1, 2, and 3. We need platform 1, platform 2, 2, 3, and then we will need another platform 3. We need to bring in this embossing folder, and this time we're lining up this one up here in this corner, just like that. Put it down, put another piece of tape up there, put this on top, and crank her through. And now we're just going to trim around, and if it went off a little bit, just make it even. Mine shifted just a tiny bit, but I'll just trim it. There you go. So it looks like that. So we'll get rid of these papers. And now we will start putting our card together. You're going to get your base paper, and we're going to fold this right in half. Give it a good score on the end so it lays flat, so it's easier for you to work with. Then we got our, what color is this? Seaside Spray, which is retired by the time you guys see this video. It will have been retired, so it was one of the in colors. I'm sad to see it go. I love the markers, I love the paper, I love everything about it. And then we have a piece of the Designer Series paper from the Friends Are Like Seashells, which is also retiring from the catalog. So now what we need is some Stampin' Dimensionals. We'll get some Stampin' Dimensionals here. And let's see, here we go. First thing we're going to do is we're going to apply this right to here. So we're going to take this one, and we're going to keep the pieces more to the left side of the seashell. And we're going to set this right along here. That's why we didn't want to have a lot over there, because we put a little bit on top of the paper there. And then I just took this and kind of put it right in this area. So all I'm going to do is use some liquid glue, like I like to do. Okay. I'm going to just set it there. Oops. Jeez, I can't get it to stay where I want it to stay today. There we go. Good enough. Yep, good enough. There we go. And then I'm going to take my 2 seashells, and I'm going to put the blue one down, and I'm putting that right here. And then I'm going to get the little pink one, and I'm going to put that one down. So right about there. That's why I didn't want it all the way up in the corner. And then we're going to get some more Stampin' Dimensionals, and we're going to kind of put these ones towards the bottom more. And one, yeah, I think I better have one in the center so it don't sag. And then right here, we're just going to put a little bit of glue. Or you could use your snail, whatever you want to do. And then we're going to put this right about here, just like that. So now we have that there. So now we got to add our fun little embellishments and stuff on this card. I really wanted one of these little tiny fish, starfish things again. So I got one of these and I put one right here. I just love these little the fish. I call them a starfish. They look like starfish. And then I'm grabbing a couple more of the tiny ones. I put one, I'm going to put it over here this time. And then one right up here. So that's where I put them. Isn't that pretty? I mean, I absolutely love this card. God, I feel like I have a mess here. I absolutely love this. Let me hold it up closer. Isn't that pretty? I love the colors. It just really flows. It's really nice. So thanks everybody. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for joining my class. Thanks for supporting me. Like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. And please, if you'd like to join my class, don't forget to just message me. All the information is in the description box below. Bye-bye.